We're going to go ahead and start Monday, November 18th, 2024. Amazon Fire Stick, the newest model, Wi-Fi 6, has everything in it. Don't believe that AI power stuff on there. AI on a lot of this stuff it's a marketing scam. But anyways, either or, 56% off, $21.99. I'm going to tell you right now, Fire Sticks are good for anybody. And if you know anybody that can sideload apps, man, this is one heck of a gift. Okay, you know somebody that just likes Roku. Roku is 33% off, $19.99. Now, the difference between the Roku and the Fire Stick is the Roku does not have 4K. This is strictly HD, but still, I mean, you putting this in a kid's room or so, you're not worried about that 4K TV, you know, the 4K-ness on it. I mean, perfect. I mean, $20, come on now. That's a heck of a price. This is one of the newest by Ring. Ring has a new indoor pan and tilt indoor camera now. I mean, it just got released this year. I mean, so far, 951 reviews, 4.6 star on it. I mean, 38% off. Normally $80, on sale for $50. If you're trying to watch your loved one, your elderly mom, your elderly dad. I mean, we have a lot of friends that, I mean, their parents are getting up in age, and we need to be able to look in on them. Me personally, I'm disabled. I have these type of cameras all throughout my house. That way my wife can look at me and make sure I haven't had me a fall or have, you know, that I'm okay here. They are something nice to have. And do you have kids, or even your husband or wife or whoever is always on their phone recording for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, making all these Facebook reels? Man, you really need a good gimbal. These gimbals, what they do is, instead of your hands shaking a little bit, these right here keeps your footage really smooth. And DJI has theirs on sale right now for 36% off. Normally $140, $89. This is really a good deal. You might get this for about $75, but I'm going to tell you right now, this is probably one of the best deals I've seen in a while for the Osmos Mobile 6. It's really, really nice. I mean, I love my gimbals. Gimbals make the world of difference when it comes to making your video content for online social media. We might see this drop to about $140 to $150 and between Amazon and Best Buy. But right now, the newest Samsung Tab A9 11-inch, 64 gigs built in, is $161. These are limited deals right here, folks. These are limited deals. Again, this is Monday, November 18, 2024, 27% off. Like I said, you might see this to 30 to 35% off, which will only bring it about another $10. Man, get these before they're gone. These are pretty hot right now because they are the newest ones for 2024. Hey, look, we're all going to gain a little bit of weight here throughout the holidays. Why not have your own personal trainer built into your living room? This Peloton Guide AI-powered personal strength trainer for your TV. So basically, you hook this up in your living room, and there's an app for it, and you hook it up to the smart app, and it literally will go through all these exercises, and literally, it's like a boot camp. It's like having that instructor over the top of you, just saying, more, do it. We're doing 15. So this is like having it in, and 77% off right now. It's not like it's a bad reviewed item. 4.4 stars out of 302 people. That's a really good review right there. Plus, from a very known company, Peloton. This is really, really good. I'm going to tell you what, I might be actually ordering me one as soon as I'm done making this video right here. Okay, for all you parents that have them girls that are in volleyball or basketball, this right here is a really, really nice duffel bag by Under Armour, 47% off. But look, it has an additional, at least for me on my end, it has an additional $10 coupon. So normally whenever I see that coupon, everyone gets that. So you get 10% off. I might have said $10. Sorry if I said $10. But additional 10% off. So that's going to take the taxes away. So you're going to get this thing for about $25, $26. I mean, delivered to your door if you have Prime for free. That is a really, really good deal. That is a steal. These are some crazy pre-Black Friday sales. I'm talking about crazy. I already had this in another one of my videos last week, but apparently it went down a little bit more now. So they have this 10.1 Wi-Fi digital photo frame, 23% off. So that brings it down to $45, but you get an additional $20 off. Brings it down to $25. That, I'm telling you, these are some steals right now. That is a really, really good deal. We'll go ahead and add this Blink in here too. It's the newest model by Blink. It's the Blink Mini 2. $19.99, 50% off, normally 40 bucks. Telling you, these are the prices that they come out on Black Friday, and we're not even at Black Friday. We still got a week and a half, almost 2 weeks away from Black Friday. Man, I don't even know if they can compete with these prices come Black Friday. They're just having such a heck of a deal right now. So go ahead and check these out. I have links down in the description. And just to keep it with the Blink real quick, Blink also has their doorbells on sale, 50% off. 20 wired or wire free, wireless or either or. I mean, $29.99. That is one heck of a deal. I mean, these prices aren't going to last long, and they only come around once or twice a year. And I'm being 100% honest. I'm not trying to get you to click the links down below. They are affiliate links. They don't hurt you nothing. If you choose not to order from that and you order anything else, it still helps me out and helps this channel. But these right here, I mean, you're not going to get these, really and truly, you're not going to get these type of deals. 50% off. The lowest I've really seen this one in the last, I mean, even on Prime Day, I didn't even see the doorbells this cheap. Prime Day, I think they were $35. So yes, it's a $5 difference. Ain't that huge of a difference. But man, this is a heck of a deal, 100%. And Blink is one of the top tier cameras out there for common consumers like you and I are out here trying to find the best deals and don't have the money for them $3,000 and $4,000 setups. These are really, really nice. Again, wireless or wired. Or say you don't want to go with the Blink. Say you want to go with a more name brand or something that you know and you've heard of, which is the Ring. The Ring right now is 40% off. Normally $100, on sale for $59.99. That is actually a really good deal as well. We might see this actually at 50% off come Black Friday. But I mean, even if not, so if you bought it today and say it did go on sale, all you have to do is send this one, reorder it on Black Friday, send this one back. I know sometimes that's a hassle, but at the same time, I mean, you get this deal and you make sure that you lock in this deal. And if you look right here, your returns is all the way to January 31st. So you got you got almost 2 months to send this thing back. I mean, heck of a deal. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Today is November 18, 2024. I don't have to work like you do. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to scroll through the internet and I'm going to try to find the best deals for your hard-earned money here at the end of 2024 for your Christmas and buying decisions right now. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing game update deals, whether it's from GameStop or games on Amazon for Nintendo, Xbox, PS5, PS4. So many things out there. More gifts for moms, gifts for dads, gifts for your computer geek generation like me. Things that are the actual absolute best deals. So go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And it ain't gonna hurt you nothing. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Ain't gonna hurt you nothing. Leave a comment down below if you like this type of video. I'm Thomas of Tomology. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
Like and subscribe.